sweet, a healthy snack you can eat. Juicy, crunchy, and so bright. Red apples make your day just right. Bananas are yellow, long and sweet, a yummy fruit you can eat. Peel it, munch it, it's a treat. Bananas give you energy, so neat. Oranges are round, so bright and bold. Their juicy sweetness makes you feel so cold. Full of vitamin C, oh yes indeed. They help you grow strong, healthy, and free. Grapes are purple, green, and sweet. They grow in bunches, a healthy treat. Little grapes, oh so small. Pop them in your mouth and you'll have a ball. Strawberries are red with seeds so tiny. They're sweet and delicious, they make you feel fine. Full of flavor, juicy and sweet. Strawberries are a yummy treat. The pear is yellow, green, or red. It's soft and juicy, just like it said. With its sweet taste, it's good for you. A pear a day will keep you feeling brand new. We've met some fruits, they're healthy and fun. Eating them every day is number one. So let's eat fruits, let's be healthy and strong. Thanks for joining the Fruit Basket song.